Good morning. So today we're gonna make Chinese style Kangkong. So the first thing we need to do is heat our pan. Put some sesame oil. About 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And fry our garlic. So once your garlic is nice and golden brown, so I use 6 cloves of garlic for this. I'm gonna add half a white onion. And we're just gonna saute that until it becomes translucent. Once your onions are translucent, you can now add your kangkong. A nice way to cook your kangkong is to put the lid and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes to soften up. So after a minute or 2, remove your cover, season with salt, just a pinch of salt, and some pepper. Mix that. It smells good. Turn off your heat. Chinese style sesame garlic kangkong.